सेट थर्ड में बुली किया गया हम लोगों को, बहुत रद्दी पेपर आया था।
क्यों?
10 मार्क का छूट गया पेपर।
10 मार्क का कैसे, कौन सा सेक्शन?
सेक्शन जो लिटरेचर वो सब छूट गया, 10 मार्क का पूरा पेपर ही छूट गया।
पैरेलल क्वेश्चन करे ही नहीं।
बिल्कुल।
It was easy.
It was easy. What was the easiest?
Written part, writing part.
And how difficult was literature?
Like it was moderate.
It was moderate. And what do you think was the most important chapter out of all of them?
On face of it and the enemy one.
और आपका पेपर छूटा?
एक क्वेश्चन छूटा,
और बाकी बच्चों का?
बाकी बच्चों का आई डोंट नो, बट मेरा एक छूटा क्योंकि मेरा राइटिंग से लिटरेचर भी मेरा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग हो गया, इस वजह से मेरा एक क्वेश्चन छूटा पैसेज का, वन का लास्ट क्वेश्चन।
So you think this paper was easy?
Yeah, it was easy.
What did you say?
I saw all your videos. It helped me a lot in preparing for the English exam. Yes.
Acha, and what would you? How likely are you to recommend Grand Acad to your juniors?
I would recommend it to everyone. It's really a grateful channel. It really helped me a lot.
And how was your exam?
It was really good. I got 30 minutes for revision 2 in the last, and I revised it completely.
Okay. And what do you think was the easiest section this time?
The easiest section was section B. Like the writing was very easy, but the reading part was a little difficult. It took me a little time.
Okay. So you would say literature this time you prepared for it well, and if somebody studied, अगर उसने ढंग से पढ़ा, हमारे चैनल से पढ़ा, वैसे भी पढ़ा, they could have easily scored.
Yes, they could have easily scored. The literature part was very easy, and so was the writing part. All the formats, all the writing, all was from previous year questions. It was really easy.
Okay. And what is your strategy for the paper? What did you attempt first?
First, I did section A, then section B, then section C. And with that strategy, it left me a lot of time as I knew what to write in the section C at the last moment.
What's your name and how much are you expecting?
I am Shraddha Bhatia, and I'm expecting around 90s.
Thank you, Shraddha. I hope you get even more than that. And thank you for being a valued viewer of our channel. Thank you. Hi, आपका पेपर कैसा गया?
It's amazing.
It was amazing. Amazing कैसे?
Writing part easy था और as compared to other
Compared to other parts, writing part was easy. And literature में आपको कैसा लगा? Difficult?
it's moderate.
And parallel questions कैसे आए?
It's overall from chapter only.
5 नंबर का छूटा है, 5
5 नंबर का कौन सा पेपर छूटा?
आर्टिकल राइटिंग छूट गया था।
आर्टिकल। और लिटरेचर में कुछ छूटा है?
नहीं, लेटर वगैरह और बाकी कुछ नहीं छूटा।
पैरेलल क्वेश्चन कैसे आए?
सारे अच्छे थे बट ना बहुत ज्यादा लेंथी पेपर था।
कल हुआ ही नहीं पेपर, बहुत ही गंदा पेपर था।
तो रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन का लेवल कैसा था?
रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन वाज लाइक
So you think English is going to be your worst paper?
अकाउंट्स अभी बाकी है, मैथ्स अभी बाकी
and I want to become the Prime Minister of India.
Oh my God! और इंग्लिश में नंबर लाने से हो जाएगा वो?
नहीं, नंबर लाने से नहीं होगा वो उससे कॉन्फिडेंस और लीडरशिप स्किल्स चाहिए होती हैं, तो आई एम डेवलपिंग दैट।
क्या बोर्ड एग्जाम्स एक रैट ट्रैप है?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, रैट ट्रैप नहीं है, इट इज़ जस्ट अ वे ऑफ मतलब आपके माइंड को स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए। एंड
Thoughts on the paper? You're a viewer, right? Can you please tell us if you're likely to recommend Grand Acad to your juniors?
It was very nice paper. I follow your blogs.
Yeah. And did our videos help in your exam?
Yes.
How did they help?
The literature part I have studied from your blog.
Okay, wow. And what do you think? इस पेपर में सबसे easy part कौन सा था? A, B या C?
Section C.
Section literature आपको सबसे आसान लगा. And how was the unseen passage का level? कितना मुश्किल था?
It was quite tougher.
Okay, all the best to you. We wish you the best and thank you for being